welcome to Know Your Mobile. It's Basil here with the Samsung Galaxy Grand and the Samsung Galaxy Note 2, and we are comparing the two at MWC 2013. The Samsung Galaxy Grand is a 5-inch device packing a WVGA display. Also got a 1.2 GHz dual-core processor and very, very similar styling, somewhere between the S3 and the Samsung Galaxy Note. We in fact have an S3 in our pocket. For reference, we can, wrong pocket. And there you go. For reference, you can see a very, very consistent styling streak from one through to the other. However, this doesn't sit in line with the flagship devices. Oh no, it's a 1.2 GHz powered device with its WVGA screen. It also is a lower proposition altogether. It does pack one cool feature, that's dual SIM, and does run the same TouchWiz UI atop Android 4.1 that we've come to know and love from the flagships. Well, some of us have loved them, some of us not so much. Starting with the design, and there's no point really comparing the two, they're just too similar. Whichever one you prefer will be down to the small details and nuances. Some of you, for example, will find the S Pen integration completely priceless on the Galaxy Note 2. Others won't need it so much and will feel that the Grand with its large 5-inch display may well suffice. The display, as we said, is a WVGA panel. If we get a little bit closer, we can give you an idea. It doesn't actually look as unsharp as the actual size and resolution would denote. That's the same as the Dell Streak for anyone who remembers it. It really, really does feel perfectly responsive and look pretty decent. Viewing angles again are pretty good. They're not fantastic, although having said that, we're in extremely bright lighting right here, so it's not giving it the best opportunity, though the Galaxy Note 2 is certainly better side by side. As far as the actual UI goes, again, there's really no point comparing the two. The real thing that's going to differentiate it is going to be that S Note functionality, which involves the S Pen. But in the same breath, as we said, TouchWiz is the same across both devices. Internally, that's where the real point of differentiation is going to lie. 1 GB of RAM and 1.2 GHz dual-core processors lie inside the Samsung Galaxy Grand, whereas a 1.6 GHz quad-core Exynos 4 chipset is in the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. You've also got a 2100 battery in the Galaxy Grand and a 3300 milliamp battery in the Galaxy Note 2, flipping the phones around. And you've got an 8 megapixel rear-facing camera and an 8 megapixel rear-facing camera. These are likely going to be the same modules, so that's one point that, again, is probably going to be very, very similar indeed. As far as how they feel in the hand, the Galaxy Note 2 is considerably larger. They have similar kind of bezeling, in fact, probably practically exactly the same. Though up top and bottom, the Samsung Galaxy Note 2 is a little bit skinnier, with the Grand representing what you find on the Galaxy S3 a little more closely to life. So all in all, that's been a hands-on comparison with the Samsung Galaxy Grand and the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Thanks for watching Know Your Mobile. If you've got any questions on these two white plastic fantastic devices, just ask. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe.